Welcome to Home Squad Reviews. In this video, I'm going to be installing a power adapter onto my Ring Doorbell 4, and I'm going to be using a cable concealer to clean up my wires. If you're interested in these products, links will be in the description. Let's get started. Now the first thing we're going to do is to remove the base plate, which will allow us to get access to our 4 screws. We're going to remove those 4 screws, and this will allow us to remove the Ring Doorbell 4 from the angular mount. Now we're going to be removing the screws at the back of the Ring Doorbell 4, and we're going to be installing the power adapter wires. Now you don't have to worry, you can install wires on either screw, it will work just fine. We're going to remove both the screws to connect the wires from the power adapter to the Ring Doorbell 4. Now after that is done, we're going to be installing the Ring Doorbell 4 back onto the angular mount. We're going to be installing the faceplate. And the security screw. Next thing we're going to be doing is cleaning the area below in preparation of installing the cable concealer. Now I'm going to determine how many pieces of concealer I would need by placing them one below the other on the wall below the Ring Doorbell 4. The next step is to put the double-sided tape at the back of the concealer strip. I'm going to be showing you how to install one, then I'll be quickly installing the other 3. Once that is done, we're going to be removing the other part of the double-sided tape and securing this piece to the wall. Once it's secured to the wall, we're going to be removing the upper part of the cable concealer, placing the wire in it, and then putting it back on. We're going to be doing that 3 more other times here. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to install this. So I've worked it out. I'm going to cut the concealer. Now be careful, I actually cut myself with the stencil. Alright, once this is cut, we're just going to install it. I'm going to be moving the cables under the door, and we'll be installing another concealer on the inside above the baseboard. Okay, here is how everything looks, and this is how it looked installed over the baseboard. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this content to be helpful, then smash that like button. If you'd like to see more content like this, then smash that subscribe button. Peace.